Alright, now this is phase 3, where we have put biscuits in, and the cavities for the biscuits exactly here. So in order to get to this point, what tips can I share with you? For a quick review, essentially we cut the piece out of here, saved that piece, then we set that piece then here, and then I traced out the piece for the most part. And then we put the biscuits in. Before I put the biscuits in this piece, I had to make sure that this biscuit, the biscuit joiner, was going to match that biscuit. So what I did is I placed this here, then I knew that it was going to be in the right place, as opposed to doing it freehand and then after the fact thinking, oh man, I can't even get my biscuit joiner there, for example. So that's that tip. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my Gorilla Glue, and we're going to set this in place. Now, I'm not going to drive this in as a beta. That's really what you should do. What you do is dry fits, right? I'm pretty confident that the biscuits are going to line up or lined up, and they're going to fit in there. And you'll also notice that I left on the outer edge here, which allowed me to grab a hold of the whole board, all the while cutting out this piece here. So I was able to come over here and clamp the piece to my porch, in this case, with these wonderful clamps here. These DeWalt clamps hold a lot of pressure, like a lot of pressure. I forget how many. I think I need to write those types of things on the outside. But trust me when I tell you, these aren't cheap, but man, so they give you a lot of holding space with the rubber boots here, and lots of hold down pressure. So that's how I did that. That's how I got that far. So now we're going to go ahead and insert this in place, and we'll let you know what it looks like when we're done.